Alibaba dropshipping tutorial. How to make money Alibaba dropshipping. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money through Alibaba dropshipping. Guys, the method is super simple. So firstly, come on to alibaba.com. Now, when you come on to alibaba.com, now from over here, you basically have this dropshipping section over here. Now what most people do is that they simply come over here and they simply choose this particular dropshipping section. So now the problem with this particular dropshipping section is that the products over here, they are already being used by millions of people worldwide. So like if you were to sell those very same products, that is not going to get you sales, because like for example, if there are 10 shops of people selling eggs and you open up the 11th shop, well guys, nobody's going to buy from you because there are already 10 sellers selling eggs. Unless you charge super low or you give them for free, nobody's gonna buy from you. And that is exactly how dropshipping works. Now we have this first product over here, which is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now this has been over here for almost 4 months now, because I have been actively tracking dropshipping and this has not moved ever since. And there are hundreds of stores dropshipping this very same product for this very same price, which is about 50 bucks. So guys, like, who is gonna buy from them? Nobody. Because like if people can buy it from one store for like a very good price, well then why would people waste time buying from another store which they don't have trust on? It is that simple. So like just keep that in mind. Like now you guys are about to start dropshipping, just keep that in mind, the example that I gave, and it will be good to go. Now the key to dropshipping is by simply coming on to alibaba.com. Don't go over to the dropshipping section. That is a very bad practice because almost every single person does that. What you need to do is that you need to basically go over to the new arrivals. Now these are products which are being sold directly through Alibaba and like not through a seller. Now these might be expensive and these might look like there is no profit margin in them. But what you're going to be doing is that, like for example, if you were to choose this particular product, this is going for about $600. Now if you were to simply copy the name of this particular product, well then after that simply paste it over here. And once you paste it over here, after that press enter. Once you press enter, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you will basically see this very same product being sold for half the price by different factories in China. Now that is basically the whole thing. You have to find factories which are manufacturing what you want to sell, because they are going to be giving you wholesale rates, and on wholesale rates from China you can actually get upwards of 100% in profits as well, if you know how to market properly, and above all if you know how to find the perfect products. Now for example, I'm gonna type in watch over here. So once I type in watch over here, after that I'm gonna simply wait for a couple of seconds, and then I will have these watches come up. I'm gonna open up Amazon in another window, because like almost all the people nowadays, they use Amazon because of their fast delivery times and everything. So once I open up Amazon over here, I'm gonna come back and let's take a look at this product list. So we have these rings being sold for $2. So if I were to just simply copy the name of this particular ring, I can basically see on Amazon how much this is going for. So like this is an 18K gold plated watch time ring rotatable. So like this is a very long name. I'm not gonna copy this, but let's take a look at these products, or basically these products over here. So like I'm gonna basically copy the name, and then I'm gonna come on Amazon, I'm gonna paste that over here, I'm gonna press enter, and then I will see all these watches come up. And guys, these watches over here, they are being sold for on average $100. Guys, that is a lot of money when you compare it with Alibaba on the other hand, which is selling those very same things for 10 bucks, 15 bucks. Like we have this watch over here, this is basically rupees 3,400, which basically translates to $20. This same watch is being sold for $99 on Amazon, and people are buying it like crazy. This watch has over 12,000 reviews. And guys, you have that very same product over here being sold for just 20 bucks. Guys, that is a 400% profit right there. Basically an $80 profit margin, which is insane. Then you have these watches. So like this watch over here is going for just $5. So I'm going to simply copy the name of this watch. I'm going to come back to Amazon. And then after that, I'm gonna simply get started with my product searching. So we have these watches over here. Now, of course, these watches are gonna go for different prices, but let's take a look on average. So on average, like for a watch like this, it is just $5 on Alibaba. Now, if I were to open up a similar watch over here, let's take a look around. Let's see if I can find a similar watch. So like this one looks really nice. So like how much is this going for? This is going for a whopping 30 bucks. This is $5 over here, and over here almost the same watch is going for $30. Guys, that is crazy, and this sounds stupid, but no, people aren't doing this, and it happens because like you have to take a couple of different factors into consideration. Why don't people buy straight from Alibaba? Well, firstly, because the shipping times are too expensive. Now, let's say the watch costs $5. They'll basically have to pay $60 for like fast shipping, which is usually 2 to 3 days. The standard shipping is 2 to 3 weeks. So guys, like people don't buy it. People buy from Amazon for far more just because they deliver the very same day or the next day. You as a dropshipper, if you want to succeed, you basically have to take all of these things into consideration: the quality, the shipping timing, and everything. Now, in the start, dropshipping is not profitable, but once you have a lot of orders, well then, for example, let's say if you're selling 1,000 watches, you will just have to pay that 60 bucks for 1,000 watches, whereas if you were to buy one product, you will still have to pay that same $60 for just one watch. So like if you scale your dropshipping business, then it gets really profitable, but in the start, obviously the profit margins are far less or almost none. So like always keep that in mind when you are starting dropshipping, and honestly you will be good to go. Now, there are many platforms that you can use alongside Alibaba to like set up your store. Now, I would not prefer setting up a dropshipping store on Alibaba because Alibaba is basically considered to be a wholesale website. This is not a website that individual people come onto. Now, you can sell on AliExpress, but I would not recommend that because like both of these websites, they basically have the same name and people consider them to be like doing the same thing. I would highly suggest going for a Shopify store. So like I'm gonna type in Shopify over here. So once I type in Shopify over here, I'm gonna open up Shopify, and once I open up Shopify, after that I will basically show you their pricing plans. Now, it is not expensive. Shopify is not expensive. You will basically be paying them a small fee and they will not take any percentage off of your sales, whereas compared to other similar e-commerce store creators like Ecwid, they basically charge you per sale, if I'm not wrong. So like definitely Shopify is the best option. Like if you want to like start selling on Shopify, it is the absolute best option. So now let's take a look at the pricing of Shopify. So for the basic plan, they're gonna basically charge you $29 per user per month. So like not per user, but like per month they're gonna charge you $29. Then for their Shopify growing business plan, they're gonna charge you $79. For their advanced Shopify plan, they're gonna charge you $300, which is absolutely insane if you like think about it. But like honestly, it is not a lot. Like you can actually get by with a fairly decent store with just the basic option as well. So like again, if you have more money, more sales, definitely upgrade. If you don't have any of that right now, use their basic plan, have faith in yourself, find the best products for cheap over here, and then sell them, and then basically market them on social media, on Instagram, and there is no need to overthink that. Just simply think, what do you personally click on when you see an ad? Just do that. Just get the answer to that question from your own heart and you will have a successful ad campaign. So guys, this is basically how you can get started with Alibaba dropshipping. Like nothing too crazy, super simple, and honestly it just requires time to like do the perfect product research. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.